So before we talk about our next natural disaster, I want you guys to try to guess from our experiment what this natural disaster is. So what you're going to need for this experiment is a container if you want to not make a mess, a small plastic cup. I put some rocks to look like the earth, some washable paint, some dish soap, some baking soda, and some vinegar, and also some water in a cup. And you'll also probably need a tablespoon to measure out some of the ingredients. So first, I've got my water in my cup. So now I'm going to add a little bit of washable paint for some color. I'm going to open my baking soda, because I haven't opened it yet. So open up my baking soda. And I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda. So 1, 2, 3. I already noticed a few things starting to happen. Do you? Now I'm going to add a little bit of dish soap. And then once I do that, I'm just going to stir it all up. Make sure that paint is mixed in there nice and good. And if you want more paint, if you're not happy with your color, you can always add more. So now I'm going to let that settle. Once I do, I'm going to add some vinegar. Now before I pour the vinegar, I've added baking soda to my water and my dish soap. What do you think is going to happen? I'll give you a hint. I'm using this container for a reason. So now I'm going to pour in my vinegar. Look at that. Now my contents of my container have spilled all out onto my rocks, and now they're starting to settle down. So what I just demonstrated to you is similar to what you may see in a volcanic eruption. A volcanic eruption occurs when molten rock called magma at our Earth's core is released into the surface of the Earth through a vent called a volcano. When this magma erupts, it is then called lava, and the movement of this lava depends on the pressure that is displaced, meaning that some volcanic eruptions happen slowly and do not cause that much damage, while others can cause lava to shoot out rapidly and quickly, and this lava flows down the volcano, quickly causing damage.